A missing Fetch Rewards special offer usually means the receipt, purchase details, or offer requirements were not matched correctly inside the app. By the end, you'll know why Fetch special offers stop tracking, and the steps to check before contacting support. The first thing to check is whether the offer was activated before you made the purchase. Some Fetch Rewards offers require you to select or unlock the offer before scanning your receipt. If the offer was not activated first, the app may not apply the bonus. Next, check the exact offer requirements. Many special offers depend on details like the correct product, brand, size, quantity, or store. Buying a similar item that does not match the offer rules can result in the bonus not appearing. Open the Fetch app and review the offer details again. Compare the product you purchased with the information shown in the offer. Check the receipt date, store name, and item details before submitting another request. Receipt quality can also affect tracking. If the image is blurry, missing important information, or does not clearly show the purchase details, the system may not recognize the offer. Retake the receipt photo with better lighting, and make sure the entire receipt is visible. If you linked a store account or used another tracking method for the offer, confirm that the account connection is still active. A disconnected or incorrect account link can prevent purchases from being matched. Updating the Fetch Rewards app can also fix problems caused by outdated app versions. Check your device's app store and install any available update before trying the offer again. If the special offer still does not appear, use the Fetch Support option inside the app. Include the receipt image, the offer name, and details about the purchase so support can review the issue. Avoid submitting the same receipt multiple times because duplicate submissions can create additional problems with processing. The main fixes are simple. Activate offers before shopping, match every offer requirement exactly, and submit clear receipt information. Your next step is to open the offer details in Fetch and compare them line by line with your purchase. If this helped you fix the issue, subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides and quick solutions.